Hello guys. We are back with another banging video. In this video we're going to do an experiment of how much it can cost us to drive from Polokwane to Gauteng with the Brabus G63. I hope you guys will like it. Stay tuned to find out how much it costs and to hear more of the pipes coming from the G63. Please be on the lookout for the next video, which is going to be us driving the G63 around Gauteng, enjoying the G63 around and pushing it to its limits. Thank you very much. Enjoy. I'm at the filling station, guys. I'm about to pour fuel. The car is currently on quarter empty, as you can see there. So I will pour 1,000 rands. I want isn't it that we're trying to figure out how much it can cost for us to get to Gauteng with this car. So what I'll do, pour 1,000 rands and see how far that takes us.
What?
The question is, are we going to get to Gauteng 1,000 rands of gasol? Haha, this is where 1,000 rand gets us to. Let's see. Range 390. Well, consumption currently cruising nicely. We're cruising at 25,000 liters per 100.
What?
Yeah. That's a G wagon for you. Let's see. We've just passed the first toll gate, heading to Josie. Now our fuel is here. We've been driving average speed of 120 kilometers per hour. As you can see, the sun is set. We've driven around 60-70 kilometers in. So yeah, we'll see where our 1,000 rand is gonna take us to. Yes guys, we've driven 137 kilometers so far. The fuel gauge is almost back to where we bought the first time. So I can say our 1000 rand is gone at an average speed of 120. So let's pour another 1000 rands and see how far it can take us. Hey, they say men would always have toys, just that the toys become more expensive. Yes, guys, we have now stopped and poured 1000 rands again. Seems like we're up. You can see driving speed of 120. Yeah, and let's see how far we can go with now we're 2000 rands in, guys. But I think we're gonna get to Joe's. Let's hear the pipes. Let me make you guys hear the pipes a bit. You can't just be watching this video for nothing. Come on. Pipes, Sport Plus. Pretoria, guys. This is where our gauge is. So basically we'll spend around 1,000 rands and almost a quarter of the 1,000 rands and a quarter of the other 1,000 rands, which is 1,250 rands to get to Pretoria with this car, driving normal speeds. So yeah, I guess that was a great experiment. Let's see, then let's push it to central Gauteng, just towards Midrand, and see how much that would be.